begin our interview about the operations on day-to-day basis here in Carinas Isabela. So to start our interview about general facility management, what strategies do you implement to ensure the safety and comfort of both staff and guests?
For the staff first, syempre we make sure na everyone is in good shape, good health, and if anyone is parang under the weather like that, we have our first aid kit, which is may mga gamot, ganyan, or either small or big injuries man yan, or yung mga internal na karamdaman, mga ganyan. We provide, or our management provide medicines. Also, since nakita nyo naman na stairs lang kami, wala kaming elevator, yung mga housekeeping staff namin, sila yung sumasalubong sa guests to help with the luggages, ganyan, and hanggang makapasok sa room nila. So, those are the things na ginagawa namin for the safety of both staff and the guests.
So, our next question under ergonomics for staff. Can you describe any ergonomic equipment or tools provided to staff, particularly in high-demand areas like housekeeping and kitchens?
First sa kitchen, we have complete tools naman and equipments for cooking. And also the storage area or the storage equipment itself, yung freezer, chiller, mga functioning siya para laging fresh yung mga ingredients in kitchen. Then sa housekeeping naman, every tools na kailangan nila, once na meron ng medyo hindi na siya nagagamit, pinapalitan naman agad-agad when we request things na kailangan nila. Kasi they are two of the biggest parang malaking part ng hotel.
So under implementation and evaluation mo, what processes are in place for regularly evaluating the effectiveness of ergonomic solutions implemented in the hotel?
So we conduct monthly meetings with our manager and bosses para they know our feedback sa hindi lang sa mga kasama pero sa buong pag-manage ng hotel. And also to parang batuhan kami ng ideas ganyan if what will be better or best for the company and we give ideas then they give us also.
So for our last question under future planning, what trends in ergonomics do you foresee impacting hotel design and management in the future?
Our way of promoting, like di ba ngayon na techie na tayong lahat, digital na tayong lahat, so we pursue on making it kung hindi man national, baka one day global, ganyan. Pero I think medyo global na kami kasi may mga foreigners kami nagiging guests. So parang dun siguro kami mag-focus din to promote our business through social media, ganyan.
So that concludes our interview for today. Thank you so much for your effort, your time, and of course, we appreciate that